Hello, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be tackling how to use arithmetic operation in algorithm. So how to add, how to use multiplication, and how to use division, and how to use the other operators we know. So first of all, let's clear everything here. Select all of them and press delete. And let's select these ones, delete, and just delete all of them. Okay, so now I hope we all understand what arithmetic means, how to use example like addition, subtraction, division, and others. So basically, we have declared a variable already that is integer. Let's declare another one called, but let's even change the name to, let's say, first, let's say, birth year. Okay, let's something like this, birth year, and click OK. Now let's create another variable. Let's delete this one. Let's create another variable called current year. So the whole idea is we want to be able to current year. The whole idea is we want to be able to inform the user's age. So we prompt the user to enter his year of birth, then we inform the user his current age. So here let's declare another variable, call it your age. Let's click OK. So let's prompt the users to use our inputs operator to prompt the user to enter his year of birth. So birth year. Make sure you type the correct exactly as what we have here. Let's click OK. Now let's make the current year. Let's assign the current year in code. So let's say current year is equals to 2019, and let's click OK. So now to know the date of birth, I believe the normal routine is to subtract. To know the year of birth, the normal routine is to subtract the current year from the birth year to get his age. Okay, so here let's use assignments operator to assignment statement to calculate the age. So your age will be your current year. Your current year minus birth year. As simple as that. Click OK. And here let's use output and say hello, you are, and let's add your age here. Your age as a variable we just created, your age. So you are, maybe you are 9, then here yes, like this. So to read like hello, let's bring comma here. Hello, you are whatever your age is, years old. Let's see how it works. So let's run it. Let me go through first of all before we run it. So first of all, we declare a variable called birth year, expecting that the user will enter his birth year, then we store that one here. and again the current year, and the current year we have statically enter the value as 2019, and here we declare another variable called your age, expecting that that is where we will store the calculated age here. Now here we use input statement to accept the user's birth year. Then here we use subtraction operator to calculate for the age. Now let's run it and see how it works. So now it's asking me to enter my year of birth. Let's say I went 2000 and click OK. So now it's telling me I'm 19 years old. Okay, that's fine. I hope you understand. And again, anytime you don't understand anything, don't forget to comment on the comment section. Now, let's use multiplication operator also. So, for example, if we want to multiply two numbers, let's clear all these ones and let's use a simple. So let's create another variable called, let's create another variable called x. So x, let's create another one called kind of variable, let's call it y. Let's use the assignment operator. In fact, let's create another one to store the results. So sorry, why am I using let's use that assignment? Sorry, let's use declare. Let's declare another variable called z. Okay, so the assignment we say that z is equals to x times y. Again, if you want to use division, we just use x divided. We don't have anything like the divide sign where we have something like this. We don't have it in programming. We don't have this in our keyboard. So the division we normally use this symbol, this, and of course addition we always use this. Okay, so let's use division and see, and let's run. Of course we have to change what is here, so let's just say that's showing our results. So let's run it. So ask, oh sorry, okay, so let's see let's check the error. We are getting your attempt to read data from variable before declaration is not working. So let's see what is happening. It's saying that we haven't declared value of x. Let me see. I think let's see. Let's use multiplication and see what will happen. And let's run it and see. Still, we are getting the same error. Okay, so this is the problem we are getting. So we have declared x, we have declared y, we have declared z. Now we haven't assigned anything to this. So this x, y, and z, they are empty. The x and y, they are empty. So in fact, we have to assign it so that it can do the operation for us. So let's quickly do that. Let's allow the user to enter the value for x and also the value of y. It's always good to for me to show all the mistakes so that anytime you encounter such problems, you'll be able to know how to go around it. So we had that error because we were using x and y. Of course, we have declared it alright, but we haven't assigned any values to it. So that's why we are using the inputs, prompting the users to enter the values for us. So let's run it again and see. So let's say 5. That's 5. Let's see. We are getting now. We are using the multiplication, so it will be times. So that is fine. Let's close it and change it and use the division operator. let's use this. Click OK. Let's go ahead and see. 5 divided by 5, we're expecting to be 1. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Then the y, that is 5. That is 1. Perfect. So this is how to use arithmetic operation in Flogoidom. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in our next video. Thank you.